Friends, normally I come and talk to you about some news or news related matter, but today I am here for a slightly different purpose. During the last 24 hours, there are all kinds of reports and rumors floating around relating to day and night news. It is only right that I directly address the issue and put things in some perspective. As most of you are perhaps aware that day and night news was started about 3 years ago as a premier 24/7 multilingual news channel focusing on the northern states such as Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh. Within 2 months of its launch, it started facing disruptions in its telecast on the cable network in Punjab. Following protests and lots of to and fro communications, day and night news was finally taken off the cable network in Punjab in February 2011. Since then, despite seeking legal remedy, the channel was not put on the cable network in Punjab. Given the TRP system in the country, which is heavily dependent on cable viewing in Punjab, the channel continued to bleed financially month after month. I must state here that since the channel was available on the cable network in Himachal Pradesh and Haryana, it gained wide recognition in these states. During this time, the channel, which was initially available on about half a dozen DTH platforms, was forced to scale down its viewing to only 2 DTH platforms over a period of time. These two, as you know, were Dish and DD Direct Plus. However, due to the blackout on the cable network in Punjab, which affected the TRP, which in turn affected the advertising revenues, the channel's financial losses continued to mount. As a result, from the 1st of August 2013, we had to go off both the Dish and DD Direct Plus platforms, as it was becoming willy-nilly difficult to pay the high carriage fee of these two platforms, which, as you know, is considerable. This is the only reason for the channel to go off these 2 DTH platforms. However, I must mention here that the channel continues to be blocked on the cable network in Punjab. The cable in Punjab, as you know, is controlled by a cartel, a fact which has been exposed by the day and night news team and upheld by the Competition Commission of India vide its order dated July 2012. The cable cartel, as is widely known, is backed by a powerful political entity which also runs a group of news and entertainment channels. Since all this affected the revenue growth of day and night news, the management of the channel was left with no alternative but to drastically scale down its overall operations. While the channel is not shutting down, it will run only a small part of its operations aimed at certain areas. The details of the operations are still being worked out by the management. Interestingly, during the inaugural function of day and night news on August 11, 2010, I had said,
there have been reports of some state governments trying to take over the control of even cable distribution. But I am positive that with people of the likes of Sardar Prakash Singh Badal, Shri Huda and Shri Dhumal, who are committed Democrats, we should not face any problem.
Unfortunately, those warnings were not without basis, and I was perhaps too naive to have had faith in the system. I would like to congratulate the political entities mentioned earlier for having succeeded in their designs. You may ask if this is a defeat for the forces upholding the freedom of the press. I would only say it is a victory in defeat, because the principles are still intact. Lastly, I must mention that since the operations of day and night news will be considerably scaled down, I will not be a part of the overall project, but I am committed to fair and fearless journalism and freedom of the press as enshrined in the Constitution of India, one that our founding fathers envisioned. Those of you who wish to communicate with me can now do so via email, Facebook or Twitter.